South America, but it is commonly found in dry areas, steppe places, desert, and semi-desert. There are over 40 varieties of succulent. Several of them are already endangered. So these are the succulent parts. These are the leaves. These are the stem. These are the roots right there under the soil. Under the soil. And so what do you call the process in which plant makes their own food?
Me.
Mommy.
Photography.
No.
Photo.
No.
Photo.
No.
Photo ko din ba?
No.
Photo cheese.
No. The process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. The process of which plants makes their own food. So, unlike humans, we depend on other organisms to make our own food. But plants, they can make their own food. So the ingredients of making their own food is sunlight coming from the sun, water coming from the soil, which is transported into the stem and to the leaves, and carbon dioxide, which goes into the stomata and into the leaves, and chlorophyll, which is the green pigment of the leaves, and which can be found in the chloroplast. Then the result will be glucose and oxygen. When you combine those together, then the result will be glucose and oxygen. Glucose goes out in the will go into the all plant parts, and then all the plant parts, and
The unused part.
to nourish the plant, and
The unused
and
part.
the leftover will be stored, and that will be called starch. Then oxygen will go out in the leaves as a byproduct for humans to breathe. So the predators of the succulents are mealybugs, which is the white patches in the leaf, red spider mites, slug.
That's not a slug. That's a snail.
A snail and a slug. So the protection of the succulent is spray insecticides if you
Look at me.
If there's some insects, and you keep them freezing the temperature of 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, but some of them can endure temperatures if you kept them absolutely dry.
Talk to me.
So the production or propagation of succulents are stem cuttings, where you cut the stem.
How many inches? How many centimeters?
Stem. Cut it into 15 to 20 centimeters. 15 to 20 centimeters, and 15 to 20 centimeters, and then gonna put it in the ground and sprinkle some mist, and you leave it for several days, and then when you look at it again, you will see the roots will sprout, and that's the time when you plant it. So this was
This is the one that I made.
This was the
Propagated by
process
stem cutting.
stem cuttings. So these are the results. this. Yeah. So, leaf, where you cut the leaf.
Another way to propagate.
Another way to propagate is where you cut the leaf and then you put it in the ground and you sprinkle some mist and then you leave it for 5 to 7 days and you look at it again, the roots will sprout. And division. Division is the easiest way to propagate succulents. So example, like this. Like this is the mother, this is the mother, and this is the mother, this is the baby succulents. It's like where you pull the succulent out and you need to make sure the roots will be there, and then you put it into another empty pot just like this, and that's what you call division.
That's what you call division by propagation by division.
Huh?
Propagation by division.
Yan.
O lagi, propagation by division. Sige.
Ito po, division. By
This is what we call
propagation by
division.
How
Division.
long does succulent propagation take? Mommy, me?
1 day.
No.
On the average.
The average of 3.
Me.
Yeah.
On the average of 3 to 5 weeks. I have chocolate. Can I have chocolate?
Yeah. And no. Oh wait, I forgot. Hey, how much is it?
On the average.
Oh, 3 to 5?
Yes.
Okay.
On the average.
And the average of 3 to
On the
5
average.
weeks.
3 to 5 weeks.
So, the usage of the succulents are ornaments, like a bouquet of flowers.
You can form them.
For in the like in the wedding, and can use them as a crown and as a as a crown and as a headband, as a necklace, as an earring, Christmas tree,
Form it into a Christmas tree with
Christmas
different
tree,
succulents in it.
and bracelet, and a lot more. So the benefits of growing succulent is they can brighten a home because they have the green color, or they have any color like the blue ones or the green ones, and they can
Decoration.
help purify the home because they take in oxygen and they give off. They take off. They take in carbon dioxide and they
Give
give
off.
off oxygen, and they may improve your focus. So this is my timetable.
I want to share to
I
you.
want to share to you.
Ay, jud kalimot
So
ana.
this is my February 4 to 8, 2019. It was my plant selection, and 11 to 16.
Explain it well.
Around 11 to 16, we planned on how to do my presentation. My big brother and my mom helped me on how to do my presentation. And 18 to 22, we start drafting the presentation. And February 25 to March 1, we research research data about my topic. March 4 to 8, it was my ongoing research. And March 11 to 15, we make our PowerPoint. And March 18, it was my practice presentation. And then on March 21, this day, is the actual presentation. So These are my references. And goodbye. And thank you for listening.
These
and
are my references.
These are my references. And then thank you for listening. And I hope you learned something today.